here for today?
We're here to celebrate Grandparents' Day with our second granddaughter, Eliana Michelle Smith. And she's excited to be here, and we're excited that we could support her here today. We've heard a lot of great things about the school, and she's adapting really well. She went to pre-K here, and then she moved on to here, and she's doing well.
That's amazing. Thank you so much.
Hoy estamos muy contentos de haber venido a la escuela para participar con nuestro nieto. Está en el kinder. Estamos muy contentos con su educación. Gracias.
Lisa Riches, Grandparents' Day was exciting. It's fun, well planned. The kids are having fun, and the school is awesome.
Thank you so much.
My name is Brenda Verdugo. My granddaughter is Emma Verdugo. And my other grandchild attends her school, and it's Olivia Verdugo. And I actually love the school. My youngest daughter, was a part of the GVA charter, which was an offshoot of this school. And so I'm a high believer. The program is totally perfect. It's like I went to parochial school, and this program is very much similar with the academics, with the study plan, with how the teachers associate with the kids during their breaks and lunches, and the mandatory programs. I don't know if this school has school music, but in the other school there's music and there's Spanish and there's classes that you don't get in regular public school. And the one-on-one is awesome. The teachers just being as a school family for the kids. And I saw this morning the kids were doing their conga line. All the children look so happy and so just delighted to be here. And that feels really good that my granddaughter can attend this school.
It has to be a very good school if my daughter has her here, because she is really into education. And so it's a good school.
It's okay. Take your time. And it's a really nice day because I'm looking at her work and how is she is at school. She says it's nice. She's it's really good time for her together.
Yeah, quality time with grandma.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You want to say hi?
Hi.
What's your name?
Cassandra.
Nice to meet you.